Even with the best precautions, accidents can still happen to senior loved ones at home. Research shows that over 30% of elderly home accidents occur in the kitchen, especially when they are alone. In this video, we'll show practical gadgets that make kitchen tasks safer and easier for seniors. Watch till the end, because one of these gadgets could make a bigger difference than you expect. Number 12. Pan Buddy. First up is the Pan Buddy, a brilliant attachment designed for anyone who finds lifting heavy pans difficult. Cast iron and large cookware can put a lot of strain on the wrist and shoulder, especially for seniors with arthritis or reduced strength. The Pan Buddy adds a vertical handle to your existing pan, which keeps the wrist in a natural position and transfers the weight towards the forearm. This simple shift in grip makes lifting far more manageable and comfortable. The two-piece design is universal and fits pan handles up to 2 inches wide, so it works with most cookware you already have at home. Number 11. T-Grip Rocker Knife. Next is the T-Grip Rocker Knife, a kitchen tool that takes the effort out of cutting and chopping. Standard knives require a strong downward push and a firm grip, which can be painful and tiring for seniors with limited hand strength or arthritis. The rocker knife works differently. It uses a smooth, rocking motion from side to side, allowing food to be sliced with far less force. This motion also provides better control and stability, reducing the risk of slipping or accidents during meal preparation. The blade is heavy-duty and built to last, though it comes intentionally less sharp than a standard knife for added safety. If a sharper edge is preferred, the blade can be sharpened like any regular kitchen knife. Number 10. Step Stool. Up next is a folding step stool with a built-in handle, and it is something every senior kitchen should have. Reaching high shelves is one of those everyday challenges that can feel risky without the right support. This step stool gives you that extra height boost while keeping you steady and balanced throughout. The built-in handle gives you something solid to hold onto as you step up, adding a layer of confidence and control. What makes this one especially smart is the automatic safety lock system. When you open the stool and press down on the top pedal, a safety buckle automatically clicks into place, preventing any tilting or unexpected movement during use. Number 9. Cut-resistant gloves. Moving on to the cut-resistant gloves, a simple but highly effective tool for safer food preparation. For seniors or stroke survivors cooking independently, the concern of accidental cuts can be very real. These gloves take that worry away by offering level 5 cut protection, which is significantly stronger than what ordinary kitchen gloves provide. Despite their high level of defense, they are lightweight and flexible, so your hands can still move naturally while chopping, peeling, or slicing. The flexible design does not restrict movement or make tasks harder to perform. They are also washable and reusable, which makes them a practical and cost-effective choice for everyday use. Number 8. Kitchen Mama Multifunction Opener. Next is the Kitchen Mama Multifunction Opener, a clever gadget that solves one of the most common kitchen frustrations: struggling to open jars and bottles. For seniors dealing with a weak grip or arthritis, this task can feel nearly impossible at times. This opener handles it all with ease, from beer bottle caps and water bottle tops to jars and cans of various sizes. Its unique parrot-shaped design makes it a fun and charming addition to the kitchen counter, doubling as a decorative piece when not in use. Despite its playful appearance, it requires minimal force to operate, which means far less strain on the hands and fingers. Number 7. Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat. Now let's talk about the anti-fatigue kitchen mat, because comfort while standing is something that often gets overlooked. Many seniors spend a good amount of time on their feet while cooking, and standing on a hard floor can cause real discomfort in the legs, joints, and lower back over time. This mat is designed to address exactly that. Its thick, pressure-absorbing cushioning reduces the strain that builds up during long cooking sessions, making it much easier to stay on your feet without feeling sore afterward. The surface is both water-resistant and slip-resistant, adding an extra layer of safety underfoot. It holds up well over time and is light enough to move around easily when the floor needs cleaning beneath it. Number 6. Soleader Plate Gripper. The Soleader Plate Gripper is a handy tool that helps seniors safely handle hot dishes and pots without the risk of burns or spills. Reaching into a hot appliance or lifting a heavy inner pot from an Instant Pot can be tricky, especially when your grip is not as steady as it once was. This gripper features a long, flat gripping head that slides easily into narrow spaces, giving you a secure hold on bowls, plates, or pots. The set comes with 2 grippers along with spare anti-slip silicone pads to ensure a firm grasp every time. It works particularly well with larger and heavier pots, where dropping or tipping is a bigger concern. Simple to use and dependable in performance. Number 5. Cookhelper. Up next is the Cookhelper, a one-handed KitchenAid that makes a real difference for seniors and stroke survivors who may have limited strength or mobility in one hand. Opening jars, stirring thick mixtures, and holding bowls steady are tasks that typically require both hands. And the Cookhelper takes on that second role for you. It holds jars, bottles, and bowls in place securely, so you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about things sliding or tipping. Its non-slip base keeps everything stable on the counter. Number 4. Rechargeable electric knife. Now let's look at the rechargeable electric knife. A cordless tool that makes slicing and carving completely effortless for seniors. The cordless design means no tangled wires getting in the way, and USB charging makes it easy to keep powered up between uses. The blades are dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup considerably. The ergonomic handle is designed to reduce hand fatigue during use, so even longer cutting tasks feel comfortable and manageable. Number 3. Stirmate. This is an automatic pot stirrer that takes over one of cooking's most tiring tasks, standing at the stove and stirring continuously without a break. For soups, sauces, oatmeal, or any dish requiring constant attention, this device does the work for you. It adjusts automatically to fit different pot sizes and gently sweeps along the bottom to ensure even cooking throughout. The motor runs quietly and powerfully for hours on a single charge, making it ideal for long, slow cooking sessions without interruption. Variable speed control lets you adjust the stirring pace depending on what you are preparing, giving flexibility across different recipes. Optional attachments expand its usefulness even further in the kitchen. Number 2. Finger guard. Next is a stainless steel protector that keeps fingers safe during slicing and chopping tasks. Even experienced cooks can slip while cutting, and for seniors whose reflexes may be slightly slower, the risk becomes higher. This guard fits over the finger using an open loop that bends to match most finger sizes, and it works equally well for both left and right-handed users. Despite being made of stainless steel, it is remarkably lightweight and easy to reposition as needed throughout the cooking process. It significantly reduces the chance of cuts during repetitive kitchen tasks like chopping vegetables or preparing ingredients. Number 1. Visual Kitchen Timer. Upgrade your kitchen and daily routine with this stylish stainless steel timer. Its saucer-shaped design and magnetic back let you stick it on any metal surface for easy access. Perfect for cooking, studying, workouts, or classroom activities. It delivers precise timing with a clear dial and a loud 85 decibel mechanical alarm. So that's all for now. Check the description for links and current prices on all products. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.